Hey friends, welcome out to the Options Report. Tyler reporting in. Here's your tip of the week. I got three things I want to talk about. Number one, we're seeing late cycle behavior. At the latter stages of an economic expansion, you typically see inflation start to pick up, and traders look at commodity prices to measure that. So look at oil the past couple of weeks. You're seeing oil rise. That is inflationary in nature. As a result, you're seeing energy stocks rise. XOP, XLE, metal and mining stocks, XME, had a nice run the last 2 weeks. Higher commodity prices, inflationary pressures puts upward pressure on interest rates. So you take a look at the 10-year yield. TNX is the ticker, Tango Nancy X-ray. That just made a new 4-year high. Highest we've seen the 10-year yield since December of 2013, just shy of 3% here. So higher interest rates and the big jump in rates that we saw this week is putting downward pressure on bond prices. So if you think this thing continues to play out as the economy continues to experience, better growth here at the later stages of an economic expansion, you can bet on higher rates continuing, and then commodity prices should stay firm. So there's all sorts of trade ideas you can build around that. Some of those themes have been spotted and identified here in the options report, including bullish plays in XOP last week, bearish plays in bonds, TLT. Those are all kind of ways of trying to capitalize on this recurring theme. So that's your tip of the week. We'll see you in the next video. Take a look at some charts.